session, I will discuss about the people's democracy and constitution, its constitution. In people's democracy, people has the status of, means Indian people has the status of enslaved sovereign people of the country. Enslaved sovereign people of the country, being they are enslaved, no control. Sovereign means masters have the full right to decide about the style of the governance, how to make the governments active for the welfare of the people, not their welfare. So, what contents it must be included in the constitution? They have the full rights, and we have to agree those rights because it is valid. They have a validity. Legality, it is comes afterwards. It has a legality, but what is the valid? Because they are masters and they must be taken for the deciding factor. They will decide the style of governance. They will decide what will be the contents in the constitution. Constitution will run the governance, run the system, and of course, people will master it. You go by this way. So people has to agree their participation. Okay? Now the question is, mass people, how to take their consent in this process? Yes, you are right. Everything is right. But at the same time, it must be considered, they must put into the thinking habit about their future, about their own future, about their children's future, and about their family's future. Of course, it affects the society's future. It affects then the country's future. It affects the country's future. So once you decide, yes, you participate. They will think how it will affect. What is the wrong? What is the right? Let them think. Today they will not capable. Okay. They will not. But tomorrow their children will prepare themselves. See, you don't think that this earth will be destroyed within few years. Please, it will continue. It is not only in your hand. But you correct your people, you improve your people's capability. They are not, maybe, but their children, grandchildren, they will participate successfully and they will put the country in progressive path, progressive track. That is important. What is important? That is important. It is a continuous process. Democracy, demo means something you can make experiment. But each and every experiment should have the substantiality or something support of thinking. And therefore, the people must be educated for the country, right? Now, MP means Member of Parliament, MLA, Member of Legislative Assembly, corporators, member of the Jilla Parishad, Panchayat Samiti, What they are acting like a boss of the people. Ah, they don't have a brain capability. They are gundas. Even they are supposing they are the boss of the people. Okay, because people has not, a lot of people has not taken the initiative in this matter. Anna Hazare has taken last many years. He, okay, he is doing something. Now all the people, media is supporting you. Don't worry, media is supporting you. You have to initiate. You have to initiate it. Then they will support you. If you stay in your house, nobody will come you. Nobody will come at you. Please do it. No. Jay Prakash Narayan, he has taken the movement against Indira Gandhi. At last what? Goenka went to him and you continue it. No, I don't want. And it is affected. She again came into the power. So you must be serious. Everyone must be serious in this matter. Don't come back. Go forward. Media will support you. Now it is not print media. There are so many news channels. They are ready to support you. They will take the advantage of it and improve the image of our country. So for participation, yes, you do it. Judiciary will help you. Judiciary will help you. But go there and ask them to support them. You can resolve each and every problem. There is a way. There are so many ways. So many ways. You have to find the perfect way to resolve your problems through the judiciary. But you have to approach them. You have to approach them. You people have to unite and approach them. Okay? देखिए, मैं आपको एक बात बताता हूँ. समझ में आता है तो देखो, भेजे में घुसते है तो देखो. लीडरों को भी बोल रहा हूँ और सामान्य जनता को भी बोल रहा हूँ. भेजा है तो घुसेगा. कौटी है, कौटी में कुछ नहीं, कांदा बटाटा है तो कुछ नहीं घुसेगा. समझा ना? कुछ नहीं घुसने वाला. हाँ, देखो, तुम्हारे ये कौटी में भेजा है कैसे पहचाना मालूम है? कैसे पहचाना मालूम है? जब तुम्हें टेम्परेचर आता है ना, तो तुम अम्मा, ये कम्मा, ये लम्मा करते हो ना, ऐसे अगर करते हो तो समझने का तुम्हारा भेजा खराब है. भेजे में कुछ घुसता नहीं है. भेजे में हवा करती है, तुम्हारा भेजा चलता ही नहीं, ऐसा समझने का. देखो कितने लोग हैं देश में. तुम्हें टेम्परेचर आने के बाद करने वाले लोग हैं. देखो मुझसे आजू बाजू में, उनका भेजा कभी नहीं चलता. ये सब पांडु होते हैं. सब सके सब पांडु होते हैं. तो ऐसे भेजे वाले तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि नहीं है ना. अगर है तो मैं क्या बोलता हूँ, सभी लीडर सब लोगों को बोलता हूँ, पीपल डेमोक्रेसी में कहीं भी किसी भी डेमोक्रेसी में पीपल का कंट्रीब्यूशन लेना चाहिए. क्यों? जब नैसर्गिक आपत्ति आ जाती है, मीन्स कैलेमिटी आ जाती है, या कुछ अग्रेशन यानी भारतीय परकीय शक्तियों का आक्रमण आ जाता है, तो हम यानी ये जो कुर्सी पे बैठे वाले लोग होते हैं ना, ये सारे कुछ कहीं नहीं जाते. वो लोग जनता को बोलते हैं कि भैया हमें मदद करो, हमें देश के लिए वंदे मातरम बोलो, जनगण बोलो, भारत माता की जय बोलो, यहाँ बोलो. खुद श्रीखंड पूरी खाते हैं, गुलाब जामुन खुद खाते हैं, दूसरों को बोलते हैं तुम ये सड़ा हुआ कुछ खाओ. ठीक है वो चलता है, क्योंकि हम येड़े हैं इसलिए. मैं येड़ा नहीं हूं, तुम लोग येड़े हो इसलिए. अगर जब संकट आ जाता है तो जिस लोगों को आप मदद करने के लिए बुलाते हो ना, तो आपका कर्तव्य बनता है कि देश को, इस समाज को एक शक्तिशाली बनाने के लिए उसी लोगों का सहकार्य लेना आवश्यक होता है। भेजे में घुस गए क्या? घुसा 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 क्या? घुसा घुसा क्या? देखो, इसलिए लोगों का कंट्रीब्यूशन लेना चाहिए। कंट्रीब्यूशन पैसे का कंट्रीब्यूशन है, उनका सोच लेना चाहिए, उनके एक एक आइडिया लेना चाहिए। मोदी क्या बोला? मोदी क्या बोला? एक एक आइडिया दे दो हमें, एक एक आइडिया दे दो। यही हम बोलते, ये पीपल डेमोक्रेसी में पॉसिबल है। पीपल डेमोक्रेसी, बाबा तुम बोलो, अरे बाबा तुम बोलो, अरे बाबा तुम बोलो, तुम नया नया आइडिया दे दो। ये पीपल डेमोक्रेसी में पॉसिबिलिटी है। ये उसमें नहीं, उसमें कुछ नहीं होता। घुसा क्या? घुसा घुसा